Welcome back to our video blog. Today I wanted to give you a market update for the first 4 months here in the greater Sacramento area of 2015. Basically, we are seeing what we expected, increasing inventory coming on the market the way it historically always does in the spring, increasing sales activity, and a continuing gradual appreciation as far as prices. Last year we saw, depending on neighborhood, an increase of 4 to 8%. It looks like we're on pace for that again this year as we expected. I could give you specific numbers about volume and inventory and so forth for the whole region, but really for your own particular circumstances, what's important for you is to get a specific detailed analysis that matches your price point and your neighborhood, because it really can vary tremendously. That said, just as an overview, we usually see more inventory coming on the market from April, May, June until around the early part of July. And from there onwards, typically inventory and sales activity is still high, but it's tapering off as we go towards the autumn and into the end of the year. The one thing that I think we can really focus on, though, is the supply of inventory relative to demand. Because this year we've seen a pickup in sales activity compared to last year. We're still not at the huge peak we were back in 2013, when prices were actually appreciating anywhere from 2 to 4% per month. But it's still a healthy increase. And as far as supply, in the $200,000 to $300,000 price range, we currently have about 1.2 months of homes on the market. And for $300,000 to $400,000, it's about a month and a half. And if you consider that anything below 3 months supply of homes is considered an extremely strong seller's market, that just tells you the story. And for both the clients we work with selling and our buyers as well, this has borne out. And you just want to be careful that you don't get swayed to an extreme either way by noticing the homes that are sitting on the market sometimes for 1, 2, or even 3 months. Those typically are the homes that are overpriced, perhaps poorly marketed, and until they do correct down to a level that the market will support, they don't sell. That said, homes that are priced well, and especially if they're marketed well also, they typically get multiple offers, often in just a few days, certainly no more than 7 to 10 days at most, and they frequently sell for over list price. So if you're thinking of buying, my recommendation would be to get a very careful analysis of what you can comfortably afford, what you want for monthly payment, and adjust your price range accordingly. And then you need to differentiate between the many homes that you'll see that are overpriced that maybe will entertain a price reduction or a lower price offer to get accepted versus the ones where you really need to be there quickly and very competitively with an extremely strong offer. For those of you that are thinking of selling, I don't really see a good reason to wait to put your home on the market as far as market aspect goes. If it's personal circumstances, obviously that's different. But over the next few months, you're not going to really gain that much more price appreciation per month. And meanwhile, if you put it on later in the year, you're just going to be amidst an ever-increasing inventory, which, if you're talking supply and demand, isn't going to help you on price either. So if you have any questions about your own particular circumstances, call or email us below. We're always happy to help. And you'll see the links as well for a free home search if you're buying, as well as an evaluation of your home in case that's helpful for you. Thanks so much.